Planet X. The name alone sounds like science fiction, but it might be real. Lurking in the cold, dark outskirts of our solar system, a massive, undiscovered world. That's Planet X. The X stands for unknown, and that mystery excites scientists everywhere. Imagine the headlines: a brand new major planet found in our own backyard. Why all the fuss? Our solar system is vast, with 8 familiar planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But beyond Neptune, space stretches out, vast, dark, and mostly unexplored. Could there be something else? Something big? The idea is thrilling. It challenges our understanding of how solar systems form and evolve. The concept of Planet X has been around for over a century. It pops up in books, movies, and even wild doomsday theories. But scientists aren't talking about a planet on a collision course with Earth. They're searching for a distant, hidden giant shaping the outer solar system in subtle ways. The search for Planet X is a testament to human curiosity. When the numbers don't add up, we start suspecting there's something more, something unseen. Planet X is more than a hypothetical object. It's a symbol of the universe's endless surprises. So buckle up, we're going on a cosmic hunt. The story is just beginning. It's a quest to understand our place in the cosmos. We look up, observe, measure, and sometimes the universe hints at secrets waiting to be found. The unknown drives us forward. Every discovery changes our perspective. Planet X could be the next big leap. The journey is as important as the destination. Science thrives on mysteries like this. The search continues, fueled by wonder. What will we find at the edge of our solar system? Only time and science will tell. Let's begin the hunt. In the 19th century, astronomers used Newton's laws to predict planetary movements. A tiny anomaly in Uranus's orbit puzzled them. What could cause Uranus to stray from its predicted path? The problem had to be something unseen. Another massive object, pulling on Uranus with its gravity. The subtle deviations in Uranus's orbit were the first whisper of a hidden world. Astronomers became detectives, searching for the unseen force tugging on Uranus. This was the dawn of the search for what would later be called Planet X. The first hints of Planet X changed everything. The search for Planet X was officially underway. The quest for hidden worlds had begun. The mystery of Uranus's wobbly orbit didn't last long. Two mathematicians, Urbain Le Verrier and John Couch Adams, took up the challenge in the 1840s. Without powerful telescopes, they relied on math and physics. They calculated where the unseen planet should be, based on its gravitational effects on Uranus. Le Verrier published his predictions and told astronomers exactly where to look. Many were skeptical. Finding a planet with math sounded like magic. But on September 23, 1846, Johann Galle pointed his telescope at the predicted spot and found Neptune, a pale blue dot, a new planet discovered through the power of calculation. It was a stunning victory for science. The discovery of Neptune proved gravity's reach and the power of human reasoning. Suddenly, the solar system felt bigger and more mysterious. If one hidden planet could be found, could there be others? Neptune was the original Planet X before it was discovered. Its discovery set a precedent. Weird movements in the outer solar system might mean another planet is out there. The hunt for Neptune solved one puzzle, but inspired astronomers to keep searching. The era of planetary discovery was just beginning. The cosmos still held secrets. The success with Neptune fueled the idea that more planets might be waiting to be found. The search for hidden worlds became a scientific obsession. Every new discovery expanded our view of the solar system. The story of Planet X was far from over. The universe had more surprises in store. The search for the unknown continued. Neptune's discovery was just the start. The hunt for Planet X pressed on. Astronomers were more determined than ever. The cosmos was ready to reveal more. The adventure continued. The next chapter was about to unfold. The search for Planet X was alive and well. After Neptune, astronomers noticed tiny wobbles in Neptune's and Uranus's orbits. Maybe Neptune wasn't the only thing out there. Enter Percival Lowell, a wealthy American astronomer obsessed with finding Planet X. He built the Lowell Observatory in Arizona, dedicated to this search. Lowell's calculations, though based on flawed data, drove a painstaking hunt. Astronomers took thousands of photos using a blink comparator to spot moving objects. It was tedious work, staring at dots for hours, looking for one that moved. In 1930, 14 years after Lowell's death, Clyde Tombaugh made a historic discovery. He found a tiny, faint object moving across the stars. Pluto. The world celebrated a new planet. For a while, Pluto was thought to be Planet X, but Pluto was much smaller than expected, too small to cause the wobbles in Uranus or Neptune. The mystery wasn't solved after all. The search for Planet X continued. Pluto's discovery was a milestone, but not the final answer. The cosmos still held secrets. The hunt pressed on, driven by curiosity. Every new discovery raised more questions. The search for Planet X became a story of persistence. Astronomers refused to give up. The universe was still hiding something. The quest for hidden worlds was far from over. The search for Planet X was evolving. New evidence would soon emerge. The adventure was just beginning. The next clue was waiting in the darkness. The hunt continued. Pluto was found, but it wasn't the massive Planet X Lowell imagined. It was tiny, smaller than Earth's moon. With better data, the supposed wobbles in Uranus's and Neptune's orbits disappeared. Case closed? Not quite. In the 1990s, astronomers discovered the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. Pluto was just one of thousands of Kuiper Belt objects, or KBOs. But some distant KBOs had strange, clustered orbits, tilted and elongated in similar ways. Their orbits weren't random, as expected. It was as if an invisible hand was guiding them. The collective gravity of known KBOs wasn't enough to explain this. The idea of a hidden, massive object resurfaced, not to explain Uranus, but to explain these icy worlds. The search for a large unseen planet was back on, with new evidence. In 2016, Caltech astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown proposed a bold idea. They studied the strange orbits of distant KBOs and suggested a giant planet, Planet 9, far beyond Neptune. Planet 9 would be 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, an ice giant with a huge, elongated orbit. It could take up to 20,000 years to orbit the Sun. The evidence is indirect, we haven't seen it, but its gravity could explain the KBO's odd clustering. It's like seeing ripples on a pond without seeing the stone that caused them. Planet 9 is the proposed stone. This hypothesis has sparked excitement and debate. Astronomers are now scanning the sky with powerful telescopes, searching for this faint, distant world. The clues are compelling and the hunt is more alive than ever. The strange dance of the KBOs needs an explanation. Planet 9 is currently the best one we have. The search is a modern-day quest. Every new observation brings us closer. The possibility of a new planet drives innovation. The universe may be hiding a giant in plain sight. The search for Planet 9 is one of today's greatest astronomical adventures. The story continues. Imagine Planet 9 is real. What would it be like? Likely an ice giant, cold, dark and distant, with a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Its surface would be hundreds of degrees below freezing. How did it get there? Maybe it formed closer to the Sun and was flung outward by Jupiter or Saturn. Or perhaps it's a captured rogue planet from another star system. Some even speculate it could be a primordial black hole, tiny but with the mass of several Earths. These ideas are speculative, but they show how much we have to learn. Understanding Planet 9's origin would reveal secrets about our solar system's history. The mystery deepens with every theory. The universe is full of surprises. The search for answers continues. If Planet 9 exists, what does it mean for Earth? It's not a threat. Its orbit is vast and distant. Its gravitational pull on Earth is minuscule, but it could subtly influence the orbits of other planets and send comets toward the inner solar system over millions of years. The real impact would be scientific. Discovering Planet 9 would revolutionize our understanding of the solar system. It would inspire new questions and new generations of explorers. The universe would feel bigger and our place in it more mysterious. The search for Planet 9 is a reminder that discovery is never finished. The search for Planet 9 is a marathon, not a sprint. It's incredibly challenging, finding a faint, distant planet among billions of stars. But astronomers are persistent, and new tools like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory will soon scan the skies with unprecedented detail. Its legacy survey of space and time could spot Planet 9 if it's out there. The search area is huge, and the planet could be anywhere in its vast orbit. Scientists refine their models, narrowing the hunt. If we don't find it, maybe it's smaller, darker, or farther than we thought. Or maybe there's another explanation. That science test, observe, learn. The search for Planet X pushes the boundaries of knowledge. It forces us to ask bigger questions about our place in the universe. The quest continues, the cosmos awaits, and the next great discovery could be just around the corner.